Good morning to all of you guys. How are you? And I hope all of you are good and doing good in your studies. And I, your faculty for Science and Technology, Ashwani Shankar. And today, as you've seen, if you look at the things that is happening around us, you are witnessing US Israel war on Iran. You are witnessing Russia Ukraine war. We had witnessed Operation Sindoor, that is India and Pakistan. Therefore, in contemporary times, it becomes imperative for us to understand the importance and the nitty gritties of the defense technology in India, right? And therefore, today we are taking up the defense technology in our session, right? So now let us start defense technology. Let's start defense. First of all, guys, tell me what you understand by this term defense technology. The moment I'm writing this name, defense technology, what is coming to your mind? What you mean by defense technology? Anyone? Let me see. Yes, Dhruv, Pandurao, you have any idea what is defense technology? Pandurao, Chaitali, Dhruv, Gaurav, anyone? You write it down. Defense technology. Defense technology. It is the collection of tools. It is a collection of tools. It is a collection of tools, systems, devices, techniques. It's a collection of tools, systems, devices, techniques developed and used for the protection and security of our nation of a nation. Full stop. This is how we define defense technology. Defense technology is a collection of tools, devices, systems, techniques developed and used for the protection and security of our nation. For example, you have your fighter aircrafts, your tanks, missiles, radar system. All these are the parts of defense technology, and all these devices, technology, techniques, systems are used to protect and preserve the sovereignty of our country, right? This is the meaning of defense technology. It is a connection of tools, systems, devices, techniques developed and used for the protection and security of our nation, right? Done? Clear? Now, for example, you have weapon systems. Apart from this, you have surveillance and reconnaissance. Reconnaissance. Tell me, you have yours. What are the other systems that comes to your mind? You have defense systems like such as radar, right? You have this what you call communication systems and so on. These all are the components that we are supposed to study under the heading defense technology. Right? Guys, quickly note down this. Then we'll move further. जल्दी से लिखो उसको. Defense technology, it is a collection of tools, systems, devices, techniques developed and used for the protection and security of a nation. It includes your weapon system, surveillance and reconnaissance, defense system, communication system, cybersecurity framework. All this comes under the domain of defense technology. Right? Clear? Done? आगे चलें? लिख लिया guys? चलो अब आगे चलते हैं. After understanding the defense system, let us understand the other aspects related to this. Let us understand what is the framework of let us understand the framework of research and development technology. Write it down. The framework of research and development in defense technology, right? What are the institutions? Number one institution that comes to our mind is पहला कौन सा है? DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. लिखो, it is Defense Research and Development Organization. What is this? It was established in the year 1958. Write it down. It was established in the year 1958, and it comes under the Ministry of Defense. It comes under the Ministry of Defense, right? And it is responsible for production. It is responsible for manufacturing of defense systems, whether it includes your missile, radars, electronic warfare, combat, light, everything that comes into your mind, yeah, right? And it has a network of very specialized laboratories that we will discuss across India. Number one, first you write it down. The organizations associated with the DRDO, or they are working under DRDO. Number one is Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. इसको बोलते हैं CAIR, Center for Artificial Intelligence and Information Robotics. Before Center for Artificial Intelligence and Center for Artificial Intelligence and Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. Yeah, sorry. And robotics, right? Where it is located? Can anybody tell me where it is located? Anyone who can help me out? Yes, Aditya, are you there in the class? Where CAIR is located? Anyone? Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. It is located in Bangalore. It is in Bangalore. It is located in Bangalore. Okay. And the headquarters of DRDO is located in New Delhi. Right. And it was established in the year 1986. कब established हुआ ये? 1986. And it used to do cutthroat research in artificial intelligence and robotics. Done. अब next आ जाओ. Next is armament research and development establishment. Next is armament research and development establishment. And development establishment. What is the right? Armament, right? इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ARD. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम? ARD. Armament Research and Development Establishment. ARD. And where ARD is located? Anybody? कोई बता सकता है? ये आपका GK का क्वेश्चन है. This is your GK question. Where is ARDE located? Can anybody tell me? जल्दी से लिखो उसको, फिर इसको फिनिश करेंगे. ये आपका all the important defense research development organization and different. It is located in Pune. Guys, do you know the meaning of armament? Do you know the meaning of armament? Armament का मतलब क्या होता है? कोई बताएगा मुझे? बताओ. What is the meaning of armament? Anyone? Armament का मतलब होता है जो हथियार हमको चाहिए. जैसे आपका टैंक है, right? ये क्या चाहिए हमको? टैंक हो गया, गन्स होगी, आर्टिलरीज होगी, राइट? उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? शॉर्ट उसमें आर्टिलरी एक्सेट्रा. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? आर्मामेंट. क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग? आर्मामेंट. राइट इट डाउन क्विकली. फटाफट नोट डाउन करो उसको. Armament Research and Development Establishment. It is located in Pune. It is responsible for the production, manufacturing of tanks, small arms, right? All these things. Guys, लिख लिया, जल्दी से बताओ, quickly I'm waiting for your reply. ठीक है, third लिखो, write down the third one. As you know, this is a very famous organization which all of you, I hope, knows this. The third is Hindustan Aeronautics, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. ये कहाँ पर है? All of you know, it is in Bangalore. कहाँ पर है ये? बेंगलुरु में, right? Next लिखो, next is भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड, भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लिमिटेड लिखो, BEL. It is also located in Bangalore, and it established in 1950. भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड. भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लिमिटेड क्या करता है? जो आकाश मिसाइल लिखो, जो आकाश मिसाइल सिस्टम है, इसका जो रडार सिस्टम है वो किसने बनाया है? भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड ने. नेक्स्ट लिखो, भारत डायनेमिक्स लिमिटेड. नेक्स्ट इज भारत डायनेमिक्स लिमिटेड. ये कहाँ पर है महाराज? ये है हैदराबाद में. भारत डायनेमिक्स लिमिटेड ये कहाँ पर है? हैदराबाद में. ये क्या बनाता है? इट इज आल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेकिंग कंपोनेंट्स रिलेटेड टू मिसाइल डेवलपमेंट. लिखो फटाफट, राइट डाउन, लिखो जो लिखो. भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड, बेंगलुरु. भारत डायनेमिक्स लिमिटेड, Hyderabad. It is responsible for the production and the manufacturing of the components related to different missile systems in India. Production कहाँ हो रही है? भारत डायनेमिक्स लिमिटेड में. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कहाँ हो रही है? BDL में हो रही है, राइट? BDL कहाँ पर है? हैदराबाद में है. कहाँ है? हैदराबाद में. डन गाइस, लिख लिया? शुक्ला जी कमेंट बॉक्स देखिए जरा, लिखा बच्चों ने, राइट? अब नेक्स्ट लिखो. ये हो जाएगा ना, एक बार फ्रेमवर्क समझ में आ गया. यहाँ से सीधे 1-2 क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं पीटी के अंदर. अब लिखो तुम लोग, इसरो तो पता ही है यार तुम्हें, यू नो एवरीवन नोज अबाउट इसरो. इसरो कब बना था? ये कहाँ पर है? बेंगलुरु, राइट? इट इज लोकेटेड इन बेंगलुरु. आ जाओ. AD, एरोनॉटिकल डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी. एरोनॉटिकल डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी. क्या है एरोनॉटिकल डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी? इट इज बेसिकली, ये कब स्टैब्लिश हुई थी? 1984 में. Established in 1984, Aeronautics Development Agency, and it is used for designing and development of combat aircraft. Its main function क्या है? Design and development of combat aircrafts, right? नेक्स्ट लिखो. क्लियर? ये हो गया. तो क्या हो गया? दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, लिख लिया. अब सबसे पहले हम किसकी बात करेंगे बताओ? ये तो हमें समझ में आ गया. दिस इज अ फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ, अगर इसको मैं शॉर्ट कर दूं, एक बार तुम देखो उसको. जो ठीक है गाइस, अब एक बार इसको दोबारा से रिवाइज करते हैं. हमने क्या पढ़ा? वी हैव स्टडीड फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इन डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी. इसमें जो इंडिया की सबसे मेजर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो कौन सी है? DRDO, डिफेंस रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, which came into existence in 1958 under the Ministry of Defense. Okay, and under this Defense Research Development Organization, there are various laboratories and institutions which work for the development and manufacturing of defense technology. Number one is CAIR, जिसको हम बोलते हैं Center for AI and Robotics. It is in Bangalore. It came into existence in 1986. Second is Armament Research and Development Establishment, ARD. It is in Pune. Number third, Hindustan Aeronautics is in Bangalore. Number 4, Bharat Electronics Limited, it is in Bangalore. Bharat Dynamics Limited, Hyderabad, right? And then we have ISRO, Bangalore, and Aeronautical Development Agency. कहाँ है Aeronautical Development Agency? कोई बताएगा? Where is Aeronautical Development? Guess करो कहाँ पर होगी ये? Anyone who can give me a reply? It is also located in same place, Bangalore. It is also located in same place, Bangalore, right? लिख लिया? डन. अब आगे चलते हैं. सबसे पहले हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? सबसे हम पहले पढ़ेंगे मिसाइल्स डिफेंस. क्या पढ़ेंगे? मिसाइल्स डिफेंस.